Hey guys, I'm gonna do some Rubik's Cube solves on the checkerboard pattern on a website called cubedesk.io/demo. Then I'm gonna be doing some solves right here. Okay. First solve of the day. Okay. Oh, wait, that's not it. Four seconds and 86 milliseconds. I'm gonna like delete the 118 one because that's not the world record, though. I can't. So let's try the second solve. I'm gonna do a checkerboard pattern again on my Rubik's Cube. Okay. 5 seconds and 52 milliseconds. Not that. Not 129. Okay, so this time I'm gonna do it again. Okay. Four seconds and 14 milliseconds. That is fast. But I'm going to do another solve in case I do the world record, which is 2 seconds and 44 milliseconds, I think. Five seconds and 14 milliseconds. Okay, I'm going to do it again, but with a twist. I'm only going to do two turns on there to make it look like a gift. Two seconds and 85 milliseconds. Wait, is that the world record? Wait. Fortunately, I can't find any solves of the gift pattern. That's 2 seconds and 85. I made that pattern up, and I have the world record for it. Oh my goodness! I'm just gonna go back to checkerboard pattern right here. Four seconds and 28 milliseconds. That's enough solves for the day. And I'm gonna see you in next video. Bye.